Hey guys, welcome back. Jack on Track. We're gonna do a short little mini build here. I was actually looking to buy one of these, and I was cleaning out all my accessory boxes that I had, organizing everything, and it turns out that I actually have one. So we're going to I'm going to put this together. Let's see what we got. So, Kadee number 5, top. Oh wow, this is an old one. The new ones, I believe, this screws down. I don't know if I'm a fan of that or not. So we're going to figure this out. So no idea what that's for. We'll figure that out. Oh. So we're going to figure this out. We'll look at it. We'll look at these directions real quick. Figure 2. All right.
I'll be home about 5 o'clock.
All right. Alright guys, so we're back. Look through the instructions, it looks pretty simple. I'm putting this thing together. So it's telling you to use a graphite lubricant. I don't have that, but I have a good quality lube for pew-pews. But this is actually going to come in a little bit handier. This stuff works really good. But what it's going to come in really handy for... Why do I always need something extra when I'm doing stuff? Alright. What's going to really come in handy for is keeping this stuff together. Saying catch this in the... Let me zoom this out. This is like a little crazy. Alright. It's telling you to catch this in like the end. Okay. Well, I got that in there. That's supposed to fit down in there in the draft box, but it's got a little flashing on it. We'll just give it a little freshening up. All right, get that flashing off of there. Alright, you got that in there. And what we're going to do is, alright, if you look on the bottom, recess in there. Okay, that goes towards the back. Down in there. Couple's moving fine. Now it tells you got to take a screwdriver and a little pin. You got to mar that pin down. Let me see. Let me show you on the instructions what they're saying. So yeah, we're gonna do that. I'm gonna do that off camera because I don't have the ability to move the camera over to where I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it on a hard surface. So I'll be right back. All right, guys. So I'm back. I tapped it in place. It got a little bit too tight, but it'll work. This thing actually also does two things. It actually acts like a track gauge. So put on the track. There's an old piece of micro engineering. There's an old Athearn car. I'm going to set up on the test track. Actually, sorry, I'm not gonna be on test track. I'm gonna when I'm done building the module, I'm done laying the track, whatever track I got left over, I'm gonna use that to make a setup track to set up, couplers and heights and stuff like that. Be on a nice board. I'll put some lights on it so I can see what I'm doing. That's about it. Alright, so there it is. You can see, let me see if I can get you a little better zoom in here. And you can see that, right? Let me stop it 1 second.